In this video clip, we're going to be talking about some of the signs of sexual addiction. While many people may say that sex or pornography can't be addictive, there are certain behaviors or things that show addiction. For example, individuals who take high risk. They're acting out sexually, looking at pornography that could put their family at risk, their job at risk. That's certainly one of the signs that we could be looking for. But there are other signs. For example, people become desensitized to certain types of pornography. In other words, what used to be stimulating no longer is. Now that's a second sign, so a desensitization. Other things include a person who it's on their mind so frequently that it begins to push out other areas of their life. In other words, they might have been attending other activities, children's events, and they might be missing them or social experiences because they're viewing pornography or acting out sexually. So it begins to dominate their entire world. That's also a typical sign that's associated with addiction. If it were alcohol, that would be very similar in that they would be binging and missing activities. The same thing is true with pornography or sexually acting out. Now, another sign that we often overlook is that individuals trapped in sexual addiction, they begin to lose self, their self-worth, their self-concept, and they begin to show other wider range of emotions, depression, anxiety. Those begin to increase because they get lost in their world of addiction. Now, one of the final symptoms of sexual addiction or pornography addiction is that these individuals, they want to escalate the behavior. It's not just desensitized to it. It escalates and escalates to the point where their sexual acting out becomes so compulsive that they cannot stop it on their own. It is literally something they need more support. And in many instances, until they begin the recovery process, their life becomes out of control. Those are the common warning signs that an addiction is in place. Finally, on our website, we have an article titled 7 Signs of Addiction. This in-depth article will help you better understand the content related to this question.